Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart HUAWEI Mate Xs 2. Alright, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can restart this device. Let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot using the power menu. To do it, we need to simply hold the power button to launch it. This method is of course recommended when we have access to the phone and when the device works in a proper way. Now all you need to do is to simply tap on restart, then you need to tap again, and within a second your device will be turned off, then it will be turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to simply wait until it gets turned on. So that's the first method, but we have the second, just like I have said, and it's called the force restart, and this method is recommended when the device isn't working properly, for example when it's lagging, when it's unresponsive. So to do it, we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time for around 10 seconds until the device turns off. So simply keep holding both of the buttons. Don't worry that you have taken a screenshot. Sometimes it happens. Simply keep holding both of those buttons. So we need to wait. Okay, now we can release our fingers. And now within a second our device will be automatically turned on again and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.